So I'm just thinking, we've been speaking about physical health, but let's talk a bit about social health. When I say social health, I don't just mean who you go out with, your friends and your society and your circle. I'm talking about society at large and society in your community. We always feel really comfortable in our own communities with our own friends and our own people. How comfortable are you when you drop yourself in a completely different society, when you travel, for example? How much do you judge other cultures or people according to your own norms? That is also about your social health. And when you travel, you really are out of your comfort zone. And I think it's only when you're out of your comfort zone do you really grow. So think about that. How comfortable are you outside of your society and your social circle? And how much are you extending to your community? Because really, doing something for your community and those who are ostracized by society, like the homeless, is something really to think about. How are you extending to your community at large to help the social life of those who are feeling less accepted by society?